The construction industry is quite prone to different safety and health hazards, mainly due to the nature of the jobs in this sector. The environment within which construction processes are undertaken pose a great threat to the safety of workers, especially those doing the manual jobs. Common safety hazards in the industry are things such as noise, falling off of buildings, injuries inflicted by different tools, and effects to our eyes due to the use of reflective materials. In order to lower the possibilities of these injuries occurring, there are different legal provisions that have been drafted in order to ensure that safety in the industry is upheld always. The newly drafted OHS laws in Australia came into effect as of the 1st of January 2012. These laws were drafted in order to help in eliminating and considerably lowering the occurrences of injuries in this sector. The common injuries in the construction sector are referred to as struck by incident injuries. This is whereby the injuries are inflicted by different flying objects, especially while undertaking high demolition. OHS laws in Australia provide that workers should wear protective gear, such as hard hats on their heads, during these demolitions. It is also important to ensure that workers in the industry do not work beneath machines, as machines can easily fall on them and cause grave injuries. The laws also provide that all machines and tools are to be regularly maintained. This is to ensure that machines are always upheld at their best working conditions. This in turn reduces the possibility of machines-inflicted injuries from occurring. Usually construction machinery and other equipments produce a lot of noise when they are running. OHS laws on noise reduction provide that workers should put on protective gear, such as earmuffs and earplugs, in order to prevent the damage to their eardrums by the sharp and loud noise from these machines. High noise from the machines make it hard for workers to note other oncoming traffic, such as from falling objects or moving machines. It is also important to ensure that noise from the machineries is considerably reduced to its lowest levels. Falls are yet other sources of safety hazards in the construction industry. OHS Australia laws on falls provide that the construction company should ensure that there is the erection of guardrails and or other personal fall arrest structures and systems. These systems are quite important in that they are used to ensure that workers who fall off from high heights are held before hitting the ground. As such, they do not encounter any injuries from the fall. Generally, when working in the construction industry, it is of great importance to ensure that you are able to take care of your personal safety. At no one time should you try to operate a machine that you have no knowledge of how it's operated or run. In addition to this, you should also ensure that you put into consideration manufacturer's specifications on using and operating machines. This is quite important in that it ensures that injuries that occur due to mishandling of construction machineries are greatly reduced. If you need to know more about occupational health and safety, then make sure you check out our main website, whitecardinfo.com.au, to find out more about safety induction training in Australia.